Infrared thermal imager. For orders please check video description. RX 550 with case. This one is case, handled thermal imager, infrared resolution. This one is resolution, and this one is temperature range, field of view, frame rate. Okay. Wi-Fi transmission support, take photo and video, high and low temperature alarming, PC software analysis. You can connect with your PC and take analysis any kind of. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Connect Wi-Fi real-time imaging on mobile devices, new functions, of course Wi-Fi. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders please check video description. Range 20 degree to plus minus 550 degrees centigrade. Powerful power interface, type C, 5 color pellets. This one is 5 color pellets. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. For orders please check video description.